Hi guys, welcome to my channel again, and today I'm in a special location in Dalat. Today I'm gonna show you, it's a beautiful coffee shop in Dalat. It's called Evening Sunset Coffee Shop. I'm trying to find the Vietnamese name and it's hard for me to pronounce, but I will try to just show the name. So this is the name of the area. While you're entering here, you can see this beautiful view around here, and it's almost like now 4 p.m. like misty, and then start like raining season. All right, so I'm gonna go inside the cafe, and I'm gonna show you a little bit the area, and then show the what other things are ongoing here, and then you can really chill out, really can enjoy these places if you come to Dalat and this area. So this is how you entering the entrance area. You will see this beautiful scenario here with the great view in this all the Dalat mountain and all the palms and everything, like so cold, so comfortable area. It's weather here like around I think 20 to 18 degrees. So I will show you the around. So this is how they look like, the areas when you enter in the area. You can see this beautiful fruits garden here and avocados, all these stuffs here. And then this is they arranging all the flowers and stuff here. And then the people chill out, taking picture. And on top also you can go one more place there. I will show you later. I will move there also. And this is the places look like, and then people chilling here. So this is the look like inside over here, and I'm gonna show you the inside the area. So this is how the inside the places, and people chilling, restaurant, cafe, and other things here. And look like the place outside and sitting area. You can see the vintage style, the lights and everything. Plus the beautiful view again here, the outside chill area. And I'm gonna go up again, and what other things are on up you can see also in there to seat and chilling. So this is the outside view, look like the places. When you come and if you want to go inside, this is the place. People are chilling here. So I'm gonna go to the on top second places on roof over there. So I will show you the area how to look like. All right, okay guys.
My heart beats true. This small town home, I belong to you. Cornfields whispering softly as the night rolls in.
Alright guys, I'm going to the up, and I'm gonna show you the second floor because I recording everything was only the first floor. You need to go a bit staircase up here, and then you will see the second floor here in this area. This is how it look like when you go to up the area, and you can, if you come by motorbikes, you can parking over here. And then this is also still I came by car, I park over there a little bit far away. And if you pronouncing the name of the place, this is the name called Hoang Chieu, the place name. It's a really good location, great place. And so still I need to go up here, and there's a, if you come with a group of people, you can chill out here. Many things you can do here, the place. And I need to go up here. It's like a little bit far away from the city, but still you can come over here like I think 5 kilometers, and you can enjoy this view. So this is how the area look like, and flower gardens they are arranging here, chilling. That's the area, all the palms. When you enter this area, you can see this beautiful location. This all fresh flowers, fresh. They made it, this everything and organized. Whoever come here can enjoy this area, chill around. How beautiful, how cool here, right? It's really nice to enjoy. Come over with your family and friends. Really nice. Oh, this is something I didn't see before here. And they keep in some like a barbecue stuff or something. So if you go to up, still can climb up the mountain. I think 100 meter or 200 around. So this is how the best place, best location. In the morning, you can see all around the area cloud and then sun rising. So this is the best view. I will show you the later some picture which I taking in the morning, this morning, and it was really nice. You need to check the weather forecast before you come here and see what are the things exactly you can see here. There's a lot of space area, and from this view you can take the beautiful photos and then enjoy that sunrise moment with this scenario. So if you come to Dalat, and I recommend you to come here and chill out this area and enjoy with this beautiful location. Why not, right? Because you want to explore the area and you're coming to the city, some places. So if you have any question regarding this video, this place, please comment and then ask any question. I will answer the question and anything. I hope this video for you guys to helpful to find the location and get the idea. I will bring more videos regarding the travel area, Vietnam, or around where I go. So keep in touch and stay tuned. Please subscribe my channel and give like and comment. I'll give you more view about the Vietnam and explore the around the world. Alright guys, cheers. Thank you very much and goodbye for today. Take care.